All right, yo, this is another day in NIYS State. We was about to go get some food up in El Peñon.
It's so big, eh?
Yo, I'm here talking about my burger, and these guys finished before me.
It is.
Let's get this day started. All right, yo, this is another day in NIYS State. We was about to go get some food up in El Peñon. Of course, man, in the hostels, you always make friends, man. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Cali Colombia. I'm from Georgia.
Okay, Jojo. All right, you already know this guy.
What's up, Paul Julian? You came to my party last night. Thank you all for showing up.
Of course, right? We about to go into El Peñon. We're going to see what's over there at this moment, all right? All right, so the last guy at the party showed up. We thought he left, man. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
What up?
Where you from?
Brett.
Okay, all right. So we got France in the house. New York. We got New York. We got California. We got Georgia. And France.
Oui, monsieur.
All right, let's get it. Yo, why you haven't been in the U.S.?
I don't know, man. You didn't invite me.
Yo, come through, son. Yo, for real, he needs to come through because there's like mad stuff that we got over there. You know what I'm saying? I know he will like it for sure. You know what I'm saying? But yo, you can also check out California. You can check out California. Georgia's popping too. We went to El Gringo. The spot that I wanted to take them is kind of like closed at the moment. We're kind of early anyway, so we're making do with what we got. Saying that you like doing road trips, you like driving instead of flying. Why is that?
Yeah, because I feel like when you're driving, you can definitely explore more of the country. Because when you are taking a plane, the plane just takes you to point A to point B. So if you're driving with a car, you can stop in small towns, talk to people, get a vibe of the place better than with a plane, for example.
Okay, so where have you drove so far?
I've made a whole tour of Scotland with my van, and that was crazy. You're driving on a really, really small road. The landscapes are changing all the time.
Okay.
You're driving for like 2 minutes and then you make U-turn. The road makes a right turn, for example, and you're like, wow, again, another great landscape, and it's like renewing all of the time. It's really great.
Okay.
My goal is to do that in the US, in New York, and then just travel around. I want to see Florida, I want to see Mississippi, I want to see Wyoming, I want to see like a lot of different states.
It sounds like this guy's already doing NIYS State on the beginnings, man. I might have to look out for this guy, you know what I'm saying? That's what's up, though. That's what's up, though, because there is a lot to see in America anyway.
Because most of the people I met in America are from New York or California. I wanna be meeting them all, you know, just to be able to share and to exchange on the way they see life and stuff. Basically, what we get from the media in France is not like everything we could. Speaking to people is always the best thing to do, right? To get like a sense of how they are seeing life. And
if you come to New York, yo, let me know. I'll show you the Bronx, man.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Yo, for real. That's what I'm talking about. Fresca? Fresca, por favor. Gracias.
Agora com gato?
Hey, they forgot about you. They forgot about you. Oh man, and they gave us a nice star fruit on top. I love star fruit. How's your mango juice? It's pure mango, just all pulp, no water, nothing. And he said that with the accent too. Gracias, señor.
Con mucho gusto.
Burger looks pretty dope. This guy already. This burger looks pretty dope. I think we all got burgers. Barbecue sandwich. Gracias. All right, let me try this burger right here. This thick concoction over there. This thick patty. Caramelize the onion with the tomato and the lettuce on it. My type of sandwich. good burger. I would want it like well done. I probably should have told him well done, but it's still a good burger. Haven't had a burger in a long time. Probably in like what? February? Yo, I'm here talking about my burger and these guys finished before me.
Yes.
Like,
Finish.
I'm slacking. I'm telling you, I'm really slacking. I got you though. That's my camera. That's camera. ¿Cómo se llama? Alright, yo, look. I got myself a haircut here, man. Like, he's helping me with my smash a bit. Tenemos un buen conversación. See? And he was telling me that he's here for like un año, but I'm from Cali, papi. So I said, yeah, so like, yo, come here, get your hair cut from him. Like, yo, you look like this, my fresh haircut, man. Please, you know how much barbershops we got in the Bronx that's run by Dominicans? Yo, if I'm not used to this already, then I don't know what to tell you. If you guys can see the burger that I have before me, this is one massive burger. Look at this. We got shrimp, we got the cheese and the meat. This thing is super dope. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Seasoned fries. Okay. Got the flavor. Okay. Okay. All right. How am I going to eat this burger while my hands are occupied? I can go for the shrimp. Yes, it is. Just how do I get it? Look, I'm trying to get it. I
get it. Go. It's so big, eh?
Yeah, for sure. That's a big burger. I just couldn't resist the sushi while I was walking, exploring. So I want to see what Cali sushi tastes like. Oh, look at that tuna. Okay, here's my strawberry soda. It looks pretty dope. It has that Colombian. I don't know how to explain it.